How to properly fertilize your lawn. Coming up on this edition of Year-Round Gardening.
Year-Round Gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
A properly timed fertilizer application can really enhance your lawn and keep it healthy throughout the summer months, even through potentially harsh conditions. I'll show you some basic steps on lawn fertilization. It's best to mow your lawn before applying the fertilizer. You should mow 3 to 4 days before you plan to fertilize. If possible, give your lawn a light watering the night before fertilizing to make sure the soil isn't too dry. A lawn that's too dry won't absorb the fertilizer nutrients very well. There are two different types of lawn fertilizers, slow release and quick release. Slow release fertilizers last roughly 2 to 3 months. Quick release fertilizers last roughly 1 month. When it comes to release type, you generally should use a slow release fertilizer. This type should last you through the summer where you won't have to do repeat applications. Quick release fertilizers are typically used in late fall or when seeding a new lawn or bare area. It's best to apply fertilizer in the evening or on a cloudy day. If you can, invest in a spreader. Trying to fertilize by hand will be more time-consuming and not as uniform as a spreader. Spreaders have a range of sizes, and you should choose a spreader based on the size of your lawn. If you have a smaller lawn, a handheld or chest spreader should do the job. For larger lawns, a push spreader is likely best. There are also liquid fertilizers you can use that can be applied with a sprayer. When spreading the fertilizer, make sure you spread evenly and uniformly in an orderly pattern. The best way to fertilize is to apply a half rate of your material in 2 directions to ensure no skips or over-applied areas. Watering your lawn after you apply the fertilizer will help your lawn better absorb the nutrients and will help prevent blades of grass from being scorched by the nutrients. Check up on your lawn 2 weeks after applying the fertilizer. Pull out any weeds that grow.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit wpsu.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.